Here we have the question, the electric flux close to Gaussian surface depends upon what? So again, net charge enclosed, or is net charge enclosed and permittivity of the medium, or is validity permittivity of the medium, or is net charge enclosed, permittivity of the medium, and the size of the Gaussian surface. So let us find what is the correct answer. We know that the Gauss law, which says psi E, which is equal to Q enclosed divided by K into epsilon naught. So here psi is nothing but electric flux and Q enclosed is nothing but net charge enclosed within the Gaussian surface, and this epsilon naught denotes permittivity of free space or permittivity of the medium. So from this we can say that the electric flux through a closed Gaussian surface depends upon both net charge, the first one both net charge, and the second thing is permittivity of the medium. So answer is net charge enclosed and permittivity of the medium. Option A is the correct answer. And also the size of the Gaussian surface does not affect the flux as long as it encloses the same charge. So for the given question, the electric flux through closed Gaussian surface depends upon both net charge enclosed and permittivity of the medium.